Imagine this: a business owner wakes up, grabs a cup of coffee, and within minutes, they know exactly what their customers are talking about, what their competitors are planning, and what trends are shaping their industry. No guesswork. No endless scrolling through reports. Just clear, actionable insights delivered instantly. This isn't a fantasy. This is AI at work. For decades, businesses relied on instinct, market research teams, and quarterly reports to make decisions. But today, AI is rewriting the rulebook. With the right tools, anyone from solo entrepreneurs to Fortune 500 executives can track business trends in real time and make smarter decisions faster than ever before. So, how exactly does AI help? And more importantly, how can you use it to grow your business? Let's break it down. The power of AI in business trend analysis. AI has completely changed the way businesses analyze trends. Instead of relying on outdated reports or gut feelings, AI can process billions of data points in seconds, recognizing patterns that even the most skilled human analysts might miss. It does this by using natural language processing and NLP. AI scans news articles, social media, blogs, and reports to identify key trends in customer behavior, industry shifts, and emerging technologies. Machine learning (ML) continuously improves its predictions by learning from past data, ensuring its insights become more accurate over time. Big data analytics (AI) pulls information from multiple sources, providing a complete picture of what's happening in your industry. Whether you're tracking consumer sentiment, market shifts, or competitor moves, AI removes the guesswork and gives you a clear competitive edge. But where do you start? Step 1. Identifying key business trends with AI. To make smarter business decisions, you first need to know which trends matter. AI can help by analyzing massive amounts of data and identifying patterns in real time. Here's how: using AI-powered trend analysis tools. There are AI-driven tools that track industry shifts, customer behavior, and emerging trends. Some of the most powerful ones include Google Trends plus AI. While Google Trends already provides a snapshot of what's trending, AI-enhanced tools like Exploding Topics use machine learning to predict which trends will grow before they go mainstream. BuzzSumo plus AI. This tool scans millions of articles, blogs, and social media posts to highlight what's gaining traction. AI models can predict which topics will stay relevant over time. TrendWatching AI. This tool helps brands anticipate upcoming trends by analyzing customer behavior across industries. By leveraging these AI-powered tools, you can identify what's gaining traction before your competitors even notice. AI and social media listening. AI isn't just about numbers, it can also track conversations happening across the internet. Brandwatch and Sprout Social use AI to analyze customer sentiment by scanning millions of social media posts. Step 2. Tracking competitor strategies with AI. Understanding your competitors is just as important as knowing industry trends. AI can help you track what your competitors are doing without spending hours researching manually. Using AI to monitor competitor moves. There are AI-powered platforms that analyze competitor activities, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. SimilarWeb uses AI to track competitors' web traffic, customer demographics, and marketing channels. SEMrush plus AI analyzes SEO and PPC strategies of competitors, helping businesses adjust their approach accordingly. AdsFi plus AI scans millions of online ads to identify trends in competitor advertising. With these tools, businesses can refine their strategies by learning from their competition. AI and competitive intelligence reports. AI can also generate competitive intelligence reports, summarizing key findings about your competitors in seconds. Instead of manually researching how competitors are pricing products, AI scrapes data from e-commerce websites, customer reviews, and social media to give a detailed breakdown of how they position themselves in the market. Step 3. Forecasting market changes with AI. Isn't just about analyzing current trends, it can predict future shifts in your industry. Predictive analytics in business. AI-powered predictive analytics tools can forecast future demand, identify risks, and recommend strategic moves. IBM Watson Analytics analyzes historical data to predict future industry trends. Tableau AI uses machine learning to create visual forecasts of market changes. H2O.ai helps businesses predict customer churn, sales trends, and demand fluctuations. These tools help businesses prepare for upcoming changes instead of reacting too late. Using AI to spot early market signals. AI scans financial reports, regulatory filings, and economic indicators to spot early warning signs of market shifts. For example, hedge funds use AI to analyze earnings reports and detect subtle language changes in CEO statements, helping them predict stock market movements. Businesses can apply the same principle to anticipate economic changes in their industry. Final thoughts. In a world that moves at lightning speed, businesses that rely on outdated methods will be left behind. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The ability to track industry trends, analyze competitor strategies, forecast market shifts, and make data-driven decisions can give any business an edge. The best part: you don't need a massive budget or a team of data scientists to leverage AI. With the right tools, even solo entrepreneurs and small business owners can gain the same strategic insights as billion-dollar corporations. The question is no longer should I use AI in my business, but rather, how fast can I start using it? Because in the world of business, the smartest decisions come from the best information, and AI is making that information more accessible than ever.